It is Kira's Art Journey, aka Kaj, and this is the second 100 Heads drawing. Today we have our lovely head model, Queen. She is a fellow gamer and content creator. I will have her links for you guys in the description box below. So let's talk about my process here for a moment. So how do I do these heads? So what I'm doing with these heads, I'm actually going through and doing different types of painting styles, right? So first for this one, I sketched and then did a painting up under the sketch. So the sketch layer is above and the paint layer is below. And so before I lay the paints, I duplicate the paint layer and clip mask it and then start laying down paints on top of this. Now, after I laid the paint down, that's when I went in. For this painting, I did not use the regular smudge brush that comes with Cook Studio. You will see in a minute. I use this, although you can't really see it because it's just the painting. I use the smudgy brush that I bought from Eric something other. I will have his link, his YouTube link in the description box below. I keep forgetting his name. He has some phenomenal artwork or whatever. But and I really love his brushes, his smudge brushes that I have bought, and Smudgy is one of my favorites. So Smudgy gives me this really painterly like look when I smudge the paint around whatever with it. It's like it leaves like those brush strokes looks whatever. Um, but one day I do want to try and just use a paint. I have a paintbrush like the smudge brush, but one day I want to just use the paintbrush with no smudging, and just get that same exact look one day. But yeah, that's basically, it's really basic. It's really a basic um, process. So just paint, just like base paint, duplicate, clip, like just make sure you put all the shapes out. Now I'm gonna tell you like what really helped me with the shapes and everything, or the astro head. Is that the time I'm pronouncing it? Like so, one day I decided to do this 1 week portrait challenge. This is a challenge that this guy give out every couple of months or so, and he and I when I first started it, I'm telling you, I did not know anything about the planes of the head or any like nothing about the planes of the head. So when you're doing the planes of the head, it's like a lot of shapes, ins and outs that you got to understand. It's like a your face is literally like a hill, like it's really hilly or something. Like say if it's your forehead, right? Your forehead is like a big bump, like a big hump, and then it gets to that dip to your nose, and then your nose comes to another hump, and then another dip right between your nose and your lips, and another hump. Like literally, your face is hilly all over, all, like literally. To big hill. But you have to understand those the head shapes. I mean the facial, the geometry of the yeah, so that's my process for this painting, and also I like to add a little, umph to it. So since her actual name is Queen, it is no exaggeration. Her actual name is Queen, according to her. So I put in, the attributes for her. I just put in the crown, and I like to try to put like little glowing effects or anything around it. So you will see that throughout all my heads in this head challenge, where I put some type of effect and everything on them using Clip Studio Paint. So yeah, I am using the Clip Studio Paint on iPad for this particular challenge and like that. So I'm going to let the video continue, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Also, I hope you guys enjoy the music. It was produced by yours truly. The YouTube channel Kira's Amateur Jams will be coming soon. Hopefully, I'm just making a. I'm currently making a what they call them things. Oh crap! Some type of, you know how like with the lo-fi music, they got the lo-fi girl in the back just bumping or whatever. Well, I'm not making a whole lo-fi scene thing like that or anything. I'm currently making like a puppet animation thing where my afro, like my hair was going to be bumping with the music equalizer. Yeah, kind of make it like a hair equalizer thing, just bump with the music as it go. But yeah, guys, enjoy the music, and I will enjoy the music, enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys on the next one, which will be not day 3. Oh my gosh, it will be number 3. I'm not doing these by days per se. I'm doing these by numbers. So taking my time. All right, y'all. So later, shalom.
Thank you guys for viewing my channel. If you would like to see me screen my art and chat art and anime, follow me over on Twitch. The link will be in the description box below under all my links are here. Do you want to know when I go live? Join my Discord where you get live updates when I go live. The link to it will also be under all my links are here. Remember, art grinders, keep drawing, keep going, don't stop.